Right, hi there, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I posted a video. I was going to be doing some repairs on another machine, but then this happened. So I've just purchased this machine. This is a 2004 Mark II machine, so 20 years old. Long story, the guy rang me up and asked if I wanted to buy it, and I made him an offer as spares or repairs. The machine is currently not technically non-running, so I'll just go through it now with you, and we'll just have a look at what needs to be done. So as you can see, it's very rusty. Big difference to the other machines. There's no side counterweights on here. The main difference between the Mark I and Mark II, the Mark I, this crusher body was bolted on down here. That presented a problem where the material that came out the front was jamming on the conveyor. So they quickly basically welded this section in, some box section in, to raise this crusher body up to give enough height for the material to come out. So that's what makes it a Mark II. Most of my machines are Mark IV. I'll explain the difference on those a bit later on. This one has the pipes set here for the conveyor. They should be set here. So that's another difference I need to look at. So my plans are with this particular machine. Oh yes, it's also got the old conveyor on. This was basically a conveyor system they brought in from the States and bolted it on. It's since gone on to make their own conveyors, so I will be changing that. So what am I going to do with this machine? I'm going to be stripping it right down, every last nut and bolt out of the machine. I'm going to be replacing everything I can that needs replacing. That's quite a lot of stuff. So it's going to have a new engine, it's going to have a new pump, it's going to have all new wiring put in. The whole thing is going to be stripped down, sandblasted and powder coated. I'll just run around here. You'll see quite rusty here. Look. So all this gets stripped right down. All new electrics that run the crusher. There's an E-stop button is missing. That doesn't work. This is the wrong button to start the crusher jaw. I'm not even sure if the 2-speed tracking works. The hydraulics seem okay. Again, I'll know more when I actually try and get it running. Don't even know whether this engine runs yet. We're going to try that soon. There's no battery in the machine. So basically, yeah, that's the job. It's going to be stripping it right down, and basically it will be turned into a new crusher. I've had to travel about 100 miles to pick this machine up, and these are on it because I've had to lift it off with a forklift because it's a non-runner. So I'm going to have a go now, see if I can get the machine started, and then see if I can get the crusher jaw to work. The crusher jaw itself actually doesn't look too bad, so that'll be good. I'll be able to use that in another machine. And all the running gear out of this conveyor will be used to build a new one. So this will all get thrown away. I won't even keep this belt. I've gone over to the Chevron belts now. These belts have a join in them, and any belt with a join in that has a lot of tension, it just pulls apart. So this is going to be no good. This is obsolete now. This system, this used to have a water spraying system on it. That'll go. This is the water spraying system here. That'll all come off and go as well. So yeah, it's quite a lot to do. So I think the next job is to see if I can actually start the machine up and get it to run. So we're going to try and find a battery now, at least get it to start, and see if I can get the crusher jaw to operate. Once the crusher jaw operates, I just need to get the jaw to move fully forward. And once I've done that, I can then completely strip the machine down and hopefully get it refurbished. So there's going to be a few videos coming up, and hopefully we'll get this machine back up to spec.